Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are embarking on a fantastic journey into the world of Ankara fabric to craft a pretty African fascinator. Get ready for a burst of creativity and style. Let's jump right in. For this project we would need an 18-foot rope, a 7-inch fascinator base and other materials. Now we begin by covering our 18-foot rope with the Ankara fabric. You have two techniques to choose from. The first option is to lay the strip on the table, roll some length of the rope in Ankara and add glue to secure it, covering the ends for a polished finish. Alternatively, if you prefer a different approach, like I have done, you can cut strips of fabric about 1 to 2 inches wide. Wrap these strips around the rope, adding glue as you go, until the entire 18 feet are beautifully adorned. We apply glue to ensure the fabric adheres to it, then continue to wrap the fabric around the rope. As you wrap, make sure to cover the entire rope with the fabric and then secure the fabric with glue to ensure a snug fit. Once you've covered the entire 18 feet, it's time to move to our fascinator base. Fasten the millinery wire with thread, then insert the frame into the fascinator. This will lend support to the fascinator. Apply glue to the edge to secure it and then cover the edge with a bias ribbon for good finishing. For a good fit to the head, I will be attaching elastic band. Carefully sew the elastic band to the fascinator. Once that is completed, apply glue to the center of the fascinator base and start creating a spiral. Continue the spiral until you've covered the entire 7-inch surface of the fascinator base. This spiral not only adds an elegant touch but also gives our fascinator a dynamic and eye-catching look. Next, we would apply glue to the middle of the spiral and add that final flourish, a stylish brooch. The brooch not only adds a touch of glam, but also serves as the perfect finishing detail for our Ankara masterpiece. And there you have it. We've crafted a one-of-a-kind African fascinator headpiece and transformed a simple rope into a stunning African headpiece using Ankara fabric. If you enjoyed this creative journey, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next crafting adventure. Until next time, keep crafting.